Hey guys, it's Alex here. Today we are going to do some questions on physics. And the topic is basic questions before projectile motion. And many coaching centers abhi to like kinematics and all they have finished. So we are going to do some questions about it, and let's start rolling. Okay. So first question is, for any arbitrary motion in space, which of the following is true? First, let me tell you the meaning. I'm left-handed, so arbitrary motion also that is in space, which means that has been not so constant acceleration, or like it's changing, or it's basically zero. Okay, so let's start going with the solution of this solution. Okay, so first is given like velocity, average velocity. Okay, so we know that there is a formula of average velocity. V average, okay, is equals to v1 plus v2 upon 2. Okay, we know this, right? We know this. Like there's a formula based on this. So to derive this formula, okay, we have to also have some constant acceleration. And in the question is given arbitrary motion, which means like there's not so constant acceleration. So it's basically either zero or it is changing. So this equation needs to have some constant acceleration in it. So the first question and the first option is wrong. Okay. So next topic comes like V average. It is also written as V average equals to this form. Don't be so scared about this. This can be written as x2 minus x1 upon, there's also t2 minus t1. So upon t2 minus t1. Okay, so this doesn't include any acceleration, though it is average velocity, but this doesn't mean that it has this has to be included in acceleration part. So x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1 has no acceleration included in it. आप देख पा रहे हो ना कि like there is no acceleration in it. So this equation is true. So this the first option is right. Alright. Coming to the third option, we get it. Okay, there's no need to even write down the formulas because we can already see like this acceleration in it. So this has to be wrong because there is the wait I'm so dumb as okay, so acceleration is included. So in the equation, the question in the question it is given like arbitrary motion. So this becomes wrong. Okay, because the acceleration is changing and we need some constant one. All right, and the fourth option also becomes r vector into t is equals to, okay, we can see also like there is acceleration in it. So both of them become wrong, right? So this becomes wrong, and then acceleration average, don't make this wrong, don't make this wrong, because if you're thinking that acceleration is given, so it will directly become false. It will become false statement, but this is actually true because in the equation, the inside part, there is no acceleration needed. So this becomes true because v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1 has no acceleration part needed. So this becomes true. Hope you guys understood this. Now we are going to do some more questions on it. Great. All right. Let me get this. So basically the thing was आखिर acceleration है, okay, then it directly becomes false in the, you know, the equation becomes false. आखिर acceleration नहीं है, okay, then it becomes true. But exception was for this one, the first one that I wrote, okay, because it had some acceleration in it, because average velocity is equals to dx by dt, and velocity includes acceleration. So I hope you guys get it. My explanation might be wrong, but not about this one, not all the others. All right, so let me come up to the next question. Okay, let me write this for you. Question. I hope you guys able to see this, I guess.